Kalagan, ako si Kalagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Subo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Subo. It's another pageant episode and another pageant king na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome King of the World 2025 who will be representing Cebu Province. We have Mr. Glendon Gonzalez. Hi Glendon, how are you?
Hello. I'm good. How about you?
I'm very much fine. Thank you for
good to
asking. No, so how is the competition so far for King of the World 2025?
So far, it's been an interesting journey for me. I've got lots of experience towards training and through studies for the competition and the pageant as well.
Oh, so mukhang handang-handa na tayo, ano?
Parang ganyan.
But I would like to ask, is it your first time to join a national pageant?
Oo, parang ganyan.
So,
First time pala talaga.
first time. So,
Mostly.
so what motivates you to join King of the World 2025?
It's a step up for me to grow personally and to develop my speaking capabilities towards a large crowd.
Oh, so for you to grow more pa, to
Yes.
be a best version of yourself, diba? Now, when it comes to pageanting naman, we have this criticism, negative feedback. So, how would you handle criticism and negative feedback?
Firstly, you need to be calm and collective. By being that, you optimistically think of the situation at hand to turn into a good thing.
Oh, mukhang turning negative into a positive.
Yes, like
Ganun.
that.
So, mukhang gusto mo na i-challenge mo na yung mga negative na yon, diba? Now, also, what makes you unique and stand out from other candidates?
My uniqueness is I can always rely on my optimism. Like, I look at the bad situation on its good side.
Nice. Being optimistic baga, no? But the million-dollar question is, why you should be crowned as one of the kings of King of the World 2025?
I think I will be the next King of the World 2025 because I have the physical attribute, and more than that, I have the mental and the capabilities of a king.
So, ganyan na mukhang handa-handa na talaga with all the trainings, with all, and I do believe your mga pasabog mo na mga outfit, ready na din, di ba?
Ready talaga.
Alright, makalagan, ang dami na naman natin na lalaman sa bagong pageant king natin sa araw na to. But before we continue, I would like to personally thank first our sponsor. I would like to personally thank GPA Headquarters and Studio for the accommodation. Thank you very much. GPA Models Philippines, thank you very much. And also, I would like to personally thank Timplora Dermatologica for always making me fresh because I am Timplora Touch. Now, Glendon, can you please invite our Laagan sa Subo viewers where we can follow you, your social media platform, and how we can support you for the upcoming King of the World 2025. Go
My
ahead.
Facebook, hello guys, my Facebook is Glendon Gonzalez, and my Instagram is also Glendon Gonzalez. My agency is called GPA Models Philippines.
All
That's all.
right.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, with our next segment, eto, nasubukan na to sa mga pageant kings. Now, masusubukan mo rin ito because our next segment, maliit na naman ito, is guilty or not guilty. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
It's okay ha, if hindi, you don't need to explain ha. If just answer it with guilty or not guilty. Kung gusto mo explain, why not naman? Okay,
Okay, let's do it.
alright, let's do it. Glendon, guilty or not guilty? Nakipag-blind date.
Not guilty.
Oh.
Because I always look at the background of what I'm meeting.
Oh, so gusto mo malalaman mo na yung girl.
At first.
Ayun. Okay, Glendon, guilty or not guilty? Pinag-agawan ng dalawang babae.
Guilty.
Ay, baka mo naman ito! Nakaloka! Ay, yun, di ba? Yun yung discovery natin. Ang ako naman talaga ni Glendon. Naku, nakakaloka. Okay, eto. Guilty or not guilty? Nakahubad na nakatulog.
For me, I prefer it most of the time.
So meaning, guilty. Ay, naku! Gusto ko katabi siya. Okay lang ba? Dabot-dabot yung palagak ko. Ay, okay na. Okay. Alright. Guilty or not guilty? Nagdaan ang isang araw na walang toothbrush.
For me, your teeth needs its time to rest. Like the enamel coating, it's very sensitive to fluoride, which it can be found in toothpaste.
Oh! So kailangan talaga. So is it guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Ang taas na ng expectation, guilty lang pala yun. Diba? Alright, Glendon. Thank you very much for guesting here at Laagan sa Cebu. It's an honor to have you here.
Thank you.
And also, good luck for the upcoming coronation night for the King of the World, Philippines 2025.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
I appreciate it.
Alright, mga Kalagan, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Lagan sa Cebu and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Cebu. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Cebu, Pageantry All Access.